In the beginning of the movie, their colors are so vibrant and distinct from everybody else. Michael's colors become more and more dulled and muted.
Don't ask me about my business.
No.
What we see throughout the movie is the code of ethics that are established not work. They systematically get chipped away as the movie goes on.
Yeah.
Michael holds on to him as hard as he can, but the things that he cannot give up is the protection and love of family.
Yeah.
And through protecting and loving his family, he loses his soul.
As you said, everything's chipped away bit by bit to where Michael realizes this is the only way that actually gets things done.
This one time, I'll let you ask me about my affairs.
Is it true?
Michael's very cold and calculated, and he can kind of see and make decisions. Well, this is war. I know what war is. I know what has to be done. This is a story where the American way fails. When it fails, it puts you in this place of desperation.
I guess we both need a drink, huh? Come on.
Michael Corleone has 5 traits at the beginning of the movie that are all admirable. And throughout the movie, each one of them is taken away.
Yes.
The last vestige that he holds on to is honesty until the moment he lies to his wife. And the moment he does, somebody walks up and says, Don Corleone.
Don Corleone.
The story that you live out is not in a vacuum. It touches and reaches and impacts those around us for better or for worse.